Python. Why it really matters for every IT professional now. Let's get started. Let's explore few details about Python in this short video. What is Python? Well, Python is one of the world famous platforms that helps us to perform every activity we think of in any electronic device. To internet operation, anything, anywhere, everywhere, we have Python inside. Why Python? Yes, because Python is really beginner friendly. Python has very simple to understand syntax, really. Of course, the way we understand is also important. And Python has a lot of potential that can help us to do literally anything. Right from website creations to apps creations to automations of IoT, Internet of Things, to AI, artificial intelligence implementations to data science. Everywhere, we have Python now. Python is used for web developments, automation scripting, game development activities, data science, AI, and scientific computing. Python is everywhere around us. And Python is being used by every company as well. Very importantly, social media like YouTube, Spotify, Dropbox, Insta, Netflix. These are all the very few but famous companies that keep on recruiting new Python professionals like you and me. Now, why to learn Python? Yes, because great demand, great potential. And learning Python is easier, at the same time very useful as well. Yes, our jobs will be saved. Of course, we need to have some extra effort. We need to put some extra effort in our learning process. At our SQL school, our 100% practical training is mainly planned for you to make you learn Python step by step, to make you learn Python with ease. We divided the entire Python into a proper roadmap with 3 modules. Module number 1, Python Analytics. Here we'll be teaching you what is Python and how to master Python from scratch, basics to mid-level. Then comes Python Programming for application designs, web design modules, IoT, Internet of Things, and some other activities including exception handling, event handling, etc. Then we'll take you to module 3, which is of course optional but recommended, AI/ML, artificial intelligence with ML, machine learning activities. So total of 3 modules we are going to teach you in this Python program, a beautiful job oriented program. And what else? Yes, let me show you the complete day-wise roster of our Python classes. Planned for 2 to 3 months, 2 months minimum for module 1 and 2. Module 1 Analytics and ETL, module 2 Python Programming. If someone is into data analysis or data engineering, you need not learn complete Python, not required. Remember, Python is very vast. Let's learn only what is needed. Just like learning how to drive a car. While learning how to drive a car, we need to only learn main important parts and their functionality. Right? We no need to really go in depth into understanding every minute part of the car or the bike to drive it, right? Not really required. That will be taken care by the service center people separately. There are professionals for it. I mean to say, friends, only focus on what is required to drive your resume safely day and night towards your job work. Learn Python Analytics with ETL, only module 1 that we provide if you are into engineering or analyst. Data engineers, business analysts, data analysts. However, If you are into data science concepts, we need to learn all three modules. If you are into Python developer, junior developers module 1 and 2 are enough. Senior developers you need to have module 1, 2 and 3 also. Choice is yours. Whatever modules you sign up for, we are here to guide you. We are here to teach you step by step. Need your support. Just make sure friends on time practice throughout the course. You will definitely love our service. We are here to provide you everyday assignments. We will be providing you mock tests as well every day and mock interviews every week. We'll be having review meets every week. We care your learning. We have been here for almost 2 decades. So we understand your concern. We know your requirements. We learn your heart. Really. And we will win your heart with our dedication and support. Trust me, we will do our best. Give us a chance and just taste our classes. You'll definitely love it. This is based on the feedback that we have been receiving all these years. Now, what else? Yes, complete detailed notes, step-by-step classes, complete detailed resume with project work, assignments and lot of technical stuff waiting for you. With this information, we'll stop for now and we'll be waiting for your enrollment for the free demo class. Attend for 1 or 2 demos to understand more about the course, interact with your trainers and we'll take it from there. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and see you there in our actual classes. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.